Hello everyone, Jeff of the Green Review here. In cold climate zones, there's practically no maintenance over the winter for flower beds. If the bed has adequate mulch, the roots and storage organs of the biennials and perennials will stay cold and they will not dry out. If the fall weather doesn't provide enough rain, then some irrigation might be required on those beds that are not completely frozen or covered in snow. The beds should not be dry going into winter. Snow covering the beds during the winter insulates the plants, and as it melts, it provides moisture. And there's a lot of melting going on during the winter, even underneath the snow. If there's a bed that is in a wind-blown location where snow cover doesn't last, extra insulation might be required, and a lot of times evergreen branches are used on top of the mulch just to provide that extra layer of insulation. Urban flower beds will often have evergreen branches laid on top of them because they look prettier over the winter, and they do provide a little bit of insulation. You can leave perennials in the flower bed over winter if they have seeds that will attract wildlife. In this case, coneflowers are attracting finches. You can also cut the plants off halfway and let the snow collect around the plants like these ornamental onions, or not cut them off at all like the asters in the back, which are gathering even more snow. Soils covered in snow or mulch are protected from freeze-thaw cycles that can be damaging to the roots. Roots can release water into the soil to prevent the water within the root cells from expanding and breaking the cells. So during the winter, we don't do a lot to our flower beds, and that helps us to be able to spend our time on other things like planning ahead for the spring. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.